there is no option to download status within WhatsApp. So you have to use a third-party app. First, go to Play Store, type and search Status Saver for WhatsApp. There are lots of apps, but I select this one which has label with 2020. I recommend this one because at this time it has over 1 million downloads and 4.8 rating. And also I will put the link in the description. You can download and install it. I have already installed it, so I will open it. Here you can see some instructions. First, open WhatsApp. Then view status which you want to download. But keep in mind, it appears only status those you have viewed. Then go back again to the app. Then select whatever the image you want to download and tap the download icon to save your device. Then you can also download videos by following the same way. Then you can find those in the save section or your phone gallery. That's it.